Living in Fort Worth means enjoying a blend of vibrant city life and Texas charm. However, it also means preparing for unpredictable weather, including severe storms, high winds, and hail. As homeowners look for ways to safeguard their properties, one of the smartest investments is storm-resistant windows. These specially designed windows offer multiple benefits beyond storm protection, making them a valuable addition to any Fort Worth home. Enhanced protection against severe weather. Fort Worth experiences unpredictable weather patterns, including thunderstorms, tornadoes, and hailstorms. Standard windows can shatter easily under the impact of flying debris and strong winds, posing a risk to your family and home. Storm-resistant windows, however, are built with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames, making them far more durable. Many are constructed with a combination of laminated glass and polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) interlayers, preventing the glass from shattering into dangerous shards. With storm-resistant windows, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is better protected from high winds and airborne debris. In the event of a strong storm, these windows significantly reduce the risk of window failure, keeping your home intact and your family safe. Improved energy efficiency. Storm-resistant windows are designed with multiple layers of glass, which also enhance insulation. This results in better temperature control within your home, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Given the hot Texas summers, energy efficiency is a major advantage for Fort Worth homeowners. These windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive air conditioning during summer and heating during winter. As a result, you can lower your energy bills while enjoying a more comfortable living environment year-round. Noise reduction for a peaceful home. Living in a bustling city like Fort Worth means dealing with traffic noise, construction, and other urban sounds. Storm-resistant windows provide excellent noise insulation due to their thicker, multi-layered glass. They effectively block out external sounds, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Whether you live near a busy street or simply value a serene indoor atmosphere, storm-resistant windows can significantly reduce unwanted noise, enhancing the overall comfort of your home. Increased home security. Security is a top concern for any homeowner, and storm-resistant windows add an extra layer of protection against break-ins. Because these windows are made with impact-resistant materials, they are much harder to break than standard windows. This makes it more difficult for potential intruders to gain access to your home. With reinforced glass and strong frames, storm-resistant windows provide an added deterrent against burglars, giving you greater confidence in your home's safety. UV protection to preserve interior furnishings. The Texas sun can be harsh, and prolonged exposure to ultraviolet UV rays can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork. Storm-resistant windows come with UV filtering capabilities that help block a significant percentage of harmful rays. This means your home's interior stays protected, maintaining the vibrancy of your furnishings for years to come. By reducing UV exposure, these windows not only extend the life of your home's interior but also create a more comfortable indoor environment by minimizing glare and excessive heat. Potential insurance discounts. because storm-resistant windows provide added protection against extreme weather and potential break-ins. Many insurance companies offer discounts to homeowners who install them. By reinforcing your home with these durable windows, you may qualify for lower home insurance premiums, helping to offset the initial cost of installation. This makes storm-resistant windows a smart financial decision in the long run, as they can lead to substantial savings on both energy bills and insurance costs. Boosted property value and curb appeal. Investing in storm-resistant windows is not only about protection and efficiency, it also enhances your home's aesthetic appeal and overall value. Potential homebuyers in Fort Worth appreciate homes that are well prepared for severe weather, and having these high-quality windows can make your property more attractive in the real estate market. Additionally, modern storm-resistant windows come in a variety of styles and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose options that complement their home's architecture and enhance curb appeal. Conclusion: storm-resistant windows are a wise investment for Fort Worth homeowners, offering superior protection, energy efficiency, noise reduction, and security. They provide long-term financial benefits, including potential insurance savings and increased property value. By installing these high-performance windows, you not only enhance your home's resilience against severe weather but also enjoy a more comfortable, quiet, and secure living space. If you're considering upgrading your home's windows, storm-resistant options are a practical and valuable choice. With Fort Worth's unpredictable weather, preparing in advance can make all the difference in keeping your home and loved ones safe.